Hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash Thomas and Mr. Pan. Oh, actually, Thomas isn't here. So Mr. Panda Pizza Motors, the 14S coming from Home Sector. This is another undisclosed location. Not sure if these are being modded or 6. These are Montgomery. Plastic leveling. Non-ADA compliant phone. Here's certificate. I don't think it shows address here. Yep, I think Diversified also takes care of these two. Here are fixtures. Look like atoms. Doug, you can go first. Door. These are relay controlled. Is the other one working? Elevator number 1? That's horrible. Yep. This one has a chime to it. AED look. No. Act like Westinghouse, but pretty good though. Let's see. Oh, should've got an impact cam. Here we go. I don't know what that's used for. 3,000 pound capacity. I don't know what that means. Same fixtures. Same phone. Yeah. These things need some help. I wouldn't be surprised if this is going to be a mod. Not sure if this is a mod or it's just broken. That'll be it.